Hello! In this video I'm going to be explaining anaerobic respiration and oxygen debt. Now, as I explained in my other videos, aerobic respiration involves oxygen. Anaerobic respiration means that oxygen is not involved. Okay? So the equation for anaerobic respiration will be glucose. So obviously glucose is still involved, but glucose is broken down to lactic acid and plus energy. So you can see that this equation is quite different from the aerobic respiration equation. Simply glucose broken down to lactic acid and energy. Okay. Now, when would we require anaerobic respiration? Okay, so just in our normal day-to-day activity, we don't need to be doing anaerobic respiration because aerobic respiration provides all of the energy we need. So I'll try to show it in a graph form, but when we're doing intense exercise, if we imagine that we have the amount of energy on the side of my graph here, and on the bottom I'm going to show us the type of respiration. So let's imagine that we are exercising very intensely and we require this amount of energy. So that's the amount of energy we require. But aerobic can only provide us with this much. Okay? So aerobic respiration can't provide us with all of the energy we require. Okay? So what we need is another method by which to obtain the energy we need for our intense exercise. So that is provided by anaerobic. So this little block at the top would represent the energy provided by anaerobic respiration. So as you can see from this graph here, anaerobic provides a lot less energy than aerobic. Okay? That's because it's far less efficient. So it's far less efficient, but we simply can't do enough aerobic respiration because we can't get enough oxygen into our body to allow it. Okay? So some of it must occur without oxygen. So as I've said, it's already less efficient, and also I'm sure you're all familiar with after exercise, when your heart rate remains elevated, your breathing rate remains high for a period of time after you exercised. That's because you're repaying something called your oxygen debt. That's the amount of oxygen you should have used if you were able to respire aerobically for the entire time. So you know that after exercise, when you're breathing heavily, that's because you're getting in that oxygen to repay your oxygen debt. Okay. Thank you very much. Hopefully that was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at Rushcliffe Bio. Thank you very much.